Are you tired of those pesky wrinkles and fine lines? Well, look no further because we've got a fantastic solution for you. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 oils that will help you fight wrinkles and give you the youthful skin you've always dreamed of. Number 1. Olive oil. Olive oil, a staple of the Mediterranean diet, has been cherished for centuries, not only for its culinary uses, but also for its remarkable skincare properties. This golden elixir is rich in antioxidants, especially vitamins A and E, which play a crucial role in protecting the skin from free radical damage. Free radicals can accelerate the aging process, leading to the formation of wrinkles and fine lines. Olive oil's moisturizing qualities make it an excellent choice for individuals with dry skin, as it helps maintain proper hydration and reduce skin dryness, a common cause of premature aging. The vitamin E in olive oil promotes skin elasticity, which can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles. It's also packed with essential fatty acids that support overall skin health and encourage a youthful complexion. To make the most of olive oil's benefits, apply a few drops to your face before bedtime, allowing it to work its magic while you sleep. Number 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a versatile, all-natural remedy celebrated for its exceptional benefits for both cooking and skincare. Rich in fatty acids, it is an effective moisturizer for the skin, keeping it hydrated and healthy. Dry skin is more prone to the development of fine lines and wrinkles, and coconut oil's hydrating properties can help mitigate these issues. Coconut oil also contains antioxidants, which protect the skin from free radical damage, thereby reducing signs of aging. Additionally, it possesses anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which can aid in the prevention of skin conditions that may accelerate skin aging. Regularly massaging a small amount of coconut oil onto your skin can help maintain its youthful appearance and vitality. Number 3. Argan oil. Argan oil, often referred to as liquid gold, is sourced from the kernels of the Moroccan argan tree. It is revered for its abundance of vitamin E and essential fatty acids, making it a potent tool for preserving skin elasticity and combating wrinkles. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that works to safeguard the skin against damage from environmental factors and free radicals, which can lead to premature aging. Applying just a drop or two of argan oil to your skin can nourish and protect it, helping to maintain a youthful appearance. The oil's deeply hydrating properties also make it an excellent choice for individuals with dry or mature skin, as it helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and leaves your skin feeling soft and supple. Number 4. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is a unique oil that closely mimics the skin's natural sebum, making it an ideal choice for skincare. This oil is renowned for its hydrating and moisturizing properties. By balancing the skin's oil production, jojoba oil can help maintain proper hydration, preventing dryness, which can accelerate skin aging. Dry skin is more susceptible to developing wrinkles, and using jojoba oil as a part of your skincare routine can significantly reduce their appearance. Jojoba oil also possesses anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it gentle yet effective for reducing wrinkles and promoting a glowing complexion. Regular application of jojoba oil can keep your skin looking youthful, healthy, and radiant. Number 5. Rosehip seed oil. Rosehip seed oil is a well-loved choice among skincare enthusiasts for its remarkable ability to stimulate cell regeneration and reduce signs of aging. Packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids, it's a powerhouse for skin rejuvenation. The oil can help diminish scars, improve skin texture, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. One of the key components in rosehip seed oil is vitamin A, which promotes the production of collagen, a vital protein that maintains skin elasticity. Regularly massaging a few drops of rosehip seed oil into your skin can make a noticeable difference in the overall youthful and radiant appearance of your complexion. Number 6. Pomegranate seed oil. Pomegranate seed oil is a true treasure chest of antioxidants and boasts anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent choice for slowing down the aging process. The high concentration of antioxidants in this oil helps neutralize free radicals, protecting the skin from oxidative damage, a leading cause of premature aging. In addition to its antioxidant properties, pomegranate seed oil stimulates collagen production, a key factor in maintaining skin elasticity and preventing wrinkles. Even just a few drops of this oil applied to your skin can have a profound impact on reducing the appearance of wrinkles and promoting a youthful complexion. Number 7. Frankincense oil. Frankincense oil is an essential oil that has been esteemed for centuries for its remarkable anti-aging properties. It is known for reducing the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, and skin discoloration. Frankincense oil helps improve skin tone and texture, providing a more youthful and radiant complexion. This precious oil is potent, so a drop or two mixed with a carrier oil can work wonders for your skin. It also has a rejuvenating and calming aroma, adding to the overall sensory experience of your skincare routine. Number 8. Lavender oil. Lavender oil is not just about its soothing scent. It also boasts anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can promote youthful and vibrant skin. It can soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and help maintain a calm complexion. Lavender oil is particularly well tolerated and is an excellent option for individuals with sensitive skin. You can apply it topically or mix a few drops with your favorite moisturizer to incorporate this natural elixir into your skincare routine. Lavender oil can contribute to your overall sense of well-being and relaxation while working its magic on your skin. Number 9. Carrot seed oil. Carrot seed oil is a rich source of vitamins and antioxidants that can rejuvenate the skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. It is especially high in beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A, known for its skin-regenerating properties. By promoting collagen production and protecting the skin from oxidative stress, carrot seed oil can help you maintain youthful and healthy skin. To experience the benefits of this oil, mix a drop or two into your daily skincare routine. Carrot seed oil can provide noticeable results, helping you maintain a radiant and youthful complexion. Number 10. Evening primrose oil. Evening primrose oil is renowned for its high gamma-linolenic acid, GLA content, which is an essential fatty acid with numerous benefits for the skin. GLA helps improve skin elasticity, a key factor in reducing fine lines and wrinkles. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can soothe irritated skin and promote a more youthful appearance. Incorporating evening primrose oil into your skincare regimen can help you achieve and maintain radiant, youthful skin. By consistently using these oils, you can address a variety of skin concerns and unlock the secrets to achieving a more youthful and radiant complexion. However, it's important to remember that individual results may vary, and it's advisable to perform a patch test before incorporating any new oil into your skincare routine. Additionally, consulting with a dermatologist is recommended, especially if you have specific skin concerns or conditions. With regular use and a bit of experimentation, you can find the oils that work best for your unique skin type and concerns. These 10 oils are your secret weapons in the fight against wrinkles and for achieving youthful, radiant skin. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, so it may take some experimentation to find the oil that works best for you. So go ahead, embrace the power of nature, and unlock the secrets to beautiful, youthful skin. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time with more beauty tips and tricks. Until then, stay fabulous.